to my channel. This is Roshmi. This is my 62nd episode. Today I am going to show you some Kantha stitch, Gujarati stitch and Bhagalpuri Tasar. Let's start. Sari number 1. This is the draping view of the sari. See. Palla portion. And Palla is with Kantha stitch, and on pleats there is again Kantha stitch. See. This is the integrity of the work. This is pleats portion. And the rest of the sari with bandage. The material is tasar. This is blouse piece. See. This is the draping view of the sari. It will be the draping view of the sari. This is achal. This portion is with the bandage, and the price of this sari, the material is pure tasar gachi by gachi with silk mark certification, and the price of this sari is 7850. 7850 sari number 1. Sari number 2, this is also a tasar base. This is the achal portion. Palla portion will be like this. You can show the work with a close view, and the rest of the sari with the border and Kantha work throughout the border. Material is tasar. The color of this sari is brown. Material is tasar and with the silk mark certification. This is the blouse piece with tie and dye. This is the blouse piece. Here is the view of the sari. And the price of this sari is 7350. 7350 sari number 2. Here comes sari number 3. This is also on tasar. Material is tasar. See, I will show you the draping view of the sari. Achal portion, palla. This will come on the palla. This is printed portion. This is stitch portion. These all are Kantha stitch. This is also Kantha stitch. This portion is also Kantha stitch. Only this portion is printed. See. Material is again tasar. All these tasars are gachi by gachi tasar with silk mark certification. And this is the blouse piece. Yellow color is the blouse piece with the border with Kantha work. This is the draping view of the sari. Palla portion, and this is the entire draping view of the sari. Sari number 3, and the price is 7450. Price is 7450. Material is gachi tasar with silk mark certification. Here is sari number 4. This is also gachi tasar, but the entire sari with the same volume of work. See, palla portion and the entire sari with the same volume of work. The base material is tasar, gachi by gachi tasar with red and black combination, and all these are Kantha stitch, hand Kantha stitch. The price of this sari is 7850. This is blouse piece. Here is the blouse piece. Draping view of the sari. Achal portion. Price is 7850. 7850 sari number 4. Sari number 5. This is also on gachi tasar with black combination, with only black combination. See, achal portion. It will come in the achal, and the entire sari with the work. The full sari is with Kantha stitch. Pleats On the pleats, it will come on the pleats, and the rest of the body with the run stitch, kantha stitch. These all are kantha stitch. Price of this sari is 8850. This is blouse piece. This is blouse piece. Price of this sari is 8850. See the dripping view of the sari. Aanchal portion, aanchal and on pleats, this work will come, and the entire body with the border and this type of work. Price is 8850. Sari number, I think it is 6. Sari number 6. It is on Bangalore silk, and the price of this sari is 7200. Aanchal portion. It is aanchal portion. This is the entire body with the semicircle work throughout the sari. Stitch is kantha stitch. Material is Bangalore silk. The price is 7200 with the silk mark certification, and this is the blouse piece. Here is the blouse piece. Now see the draping view of the sari. See, this is the draping view of the sari. Color is red. The material is Bangalore silk. Price is 7200. Next one, this is also on Bangalore silk. It will come like this way. See, this is the work, and this work will go till this level, and the entire sari with the print, and again the blouse piece is with kantha work. See, I will show you the blouse. The color of the blouse piece is black with the work, and see, this is the draping view of the sari. This is the draping view of the sari. The material is Bangalore silk, and the price of this sari is 6850. Price of this sari is 6850. Now sari number 8. This is Gujarati stitch or Sindhi with the mirror. See, this is also very interesting sari. Aanchal portion, it will come in the palla. The entire body with this bandage work, light yellow with grey. In the pleats, this work will come. This is pleats portion. This is pleats portion, and the blouse piece of this sari is with the entire work. This is the entire work, and this is blouse piece. This is blouse piece. I will show you the draping view. See, it will be the look of the sari. This is sari number. It is sari number 8, and the price is 7450. Sari number 8, 7450. Now another Gujarati stitch, sari number 9. See, in this sari, the work will go throughout the sari. Throughout the half sari, the work will go. This is palla portion with the bandage work and this border only. And the this material is also tassar. The half sari with the work, and the rest half with the border and bandage work. With the border and bandage, and this is the blouse piece. Here is the blouse piece. Blouse piece is also same. See, this is the draping view of the sari. Draping view of the sari. Sari material is tassar. All the tassars are silk mark certified. Price of this sari is 7850. Price of this sari is 7850. Another Gujarati stitch on Bangalore silk. Another Gujarati stitch on Bangalore silk. Sari number 10. Sari number 10. Price is 6800. See, this is the view of the sari. This is the view of the sari. Palla portion. The color of this silk is red and it is Bangalore silk. Price is 6,800. The price of this sari is 6,800. The entire sari with the work, and this is the blouse piece. Here is the blouse piece. See, this is the view of the sari. Price is 6,800. Next one, sari number 11. This is also 6,800. The color of this sari is royal blue. The material is Bangalore silk. Very bright and colorful. Aanchal portion. Price is again 6,800. It's very bright, colorful and good looking sari. The material is Bangalore silk with silk mark certification. The price is 6,800 and the entire sari with the work. This is blouse piece. So this is the dripping view of the sari. This is the dripping view of the sari. Price is 6,800. Material is Bangalore silk. Next one is also another Gujarati stitch or Sindhi work, whatever you want to say. This is sari number 12 and the price of this sari is 7,800. Price of this sari is 7,800. The color is orange. See, lots of mirrors are there. This is Aanchal portion and the entire sari with this work. Price again 7,800. Material is Bangalore silk. Color is orange, but very soothing orange, and the price of this sari is 7,800. Here is the blouse piece. This is the draping view of the sari. Just have a look. This is the draping view of the sari. Now, sari number 13. The price, it is on pure silk with batik work. Aanchal portion. This is Aanchal portion with black Gujarati stitch, and this is the body. This is the body. And the entire pleats portion is with the work, which is black with the work. Border is also with the Gujarati stitch, and this is the blouse piece. It is the blouse piece. This is the draping view of the sari. The price of this sari is 5,800. It is 5,800. Now I am going to show you some different item. This is sari number 4. This is also embroidery sari. Material is crepe georgette. See, this is the view. The color of this sari is brown. Material is crepe georgette. This is the half sari with this work. See the work. Half sari and the rest half with the border, skirt border. The material is crepe georgette. See, very soft, very comfortable material with a very reasonable price. And this is the blouse piece. Here is the blouse piece. See, this is the draping view of the sari, and the price of this sari, sari number 14, and the price of this sari is 3,900. I think it is clear. The color of this sari is light brown. I have another one with the same material. The color is light green. The color of this sari is light green. Price is same, 3,900. I will show you. Just see the work. See the volume of work and the intricity of work. and the material is crepe georgette. Price is 3,900 with the blouse piece. It is very comfortable, lightweight material and very good looking. See, here is the blouse piece. The color of this saree is light green. See, this is the color of the saree, very light green. Next one, saree number 16. It is beige color, the same design with a different combination. It is beige color and the price is again 3,900. The pattern of the saree is same, but still I am showing you. The color is beige color with the blouse piece. Material is crepe georgette and the price is 3,900. See, here is the blouse piece. Blouse piece is also with the work. See, this is the draping view of the saree. The price of the saree is 3,900. Now I will show you organza. Saree number 17, organza with a embroidery border and digital print. See, this is also, the color of the saree is also sea green. Just show the work. This is the border. See the work and the entire body with the digital print. See, and the material is organza. Very comfortable, very soft, lightweight, as you know. These all are pure organza. So very comfortable material. Price is 6,200 with the digital print and the color of this saree is light green. Here is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Just have a look of the saree. This is the draping view of the saree. Price is 6,200. I will show you another two colors. This is peach color. Very nice one. It is same pattern. With the same pattern, only the color is different. See. Here is the saree. These all are digital print organza with an embroidery border with blouse piece, very soft. Price is 6,200. The price of these sarees are 6,200. This is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece of the saree. The color of this saree is peach. This is the draping view of the saree. Next one, saree number 19 with the same pattern. The color of this saree is lemon yellow. Light yellow. It is not lemon yellow also. It is very light yellow. See, with the same pattern. I will show you the draping view so that you can easily understand the color of the saree, because these sarees are very light colors, organza with digital print. Here is the blouse piece and see, this is the look of the saree, and the price of this saree is again 6,200. Now I will show you three Bhagalpur Tasar, Bhagalpur Airy Tasar. This is not pure Tasar, this is Bhagalpur Airy Tasar. The entire saree with the border only. The color is rust. The color is rust. The entire saree with the borders only. Both side borders are there. And the price is only 1,600. See, the color of this saree is rust color and the price is 1,600. This is Bhagalpur Airy Tasar. Another one is also yellow. Yellow and green combination. I will show you the colors only because the pattern of these sarees are same and the price is also same. See, and the price is also 1,600. Bhagalpur Airy Tasar. These all are Bhagalpur Airy Tasar. And the last one is black. Same saree with black combination. Here is the saree. This is both side border. The color of the saree is black. Price is 1600. Bhagalpur, Editasar. That's all for today's episode. I think you will like it. If you like, please share with your friends, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification of the next episode. My phone number is 9330866384. We deliver Pan India through courier services. Shipping charges is free. You have to pay through GPay or internet banking. Thank you.